Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Liz. I hope you are doing super well. Happy New Year, you guys. This is my very first video for 2021 and I'm so glad I'm back, you guys. I took a short break, but I'm back. I hope you guys are doing super well. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the EUCERIN DermatoCLEAN Mild Cleansing Milk. This product retails for 165 Rand and I bought it at Clicks. Before we get into it, I would really love it if you could go down below and click on that subscribe button now, okay? If it's red, that means you have not clicked on it. Click on it right now. It's absolutely free. You are not paying anything for it. And also don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Okay, if you've been watching me for a while now, I'm sure you know that I always use EUCERIN products. I've been using the product for the past 3 years now and I absolutely love them, you guys. So I bought this product from Clicks and it retails for 165 bucks. So you can find this product on Amazon, you can find it at Clicks, you can find it at Discam, you can find it at Foschini, I believe. There are quite a lot of shops where you can get it from. I always get questions, where do I buy this item? I'm going to include some links to where I purchased this item in the description box down below. I'll also include a link from Amazon if I find it. But anyways, let's talk about the consistency of this product. I'm gonna open it and show you guys how the product is. Okay, there we go. So as you guys can see, this is the consistency and it's creamy, it's watery. It's not heavy at all. The consistency is creamy and this product doesn't have a foam, so you won't be able to see any bubbles when you are using it. If you want a cleanser with bubbles, then this product is definitely not for you. I'll advise you check out something else because this one will not give you bubbles at all. Okay, it's not foamy. When you're applying it on your face, it's just like, it looks creamy and a little bit whitish, but it's not foamy at all. Okay, so now let's see what the product claims to do. It says that this product is for dry and sensitive skin. You guys know that I do have a sensitive skin and I also have a combination skin. I don't have a dry skin at all, but because I've been using this product for over 3 years now, I believe this product is great for all skin types, you guys. So it says that the product is a very effective yet extra mild nature. Identical cleansing complex removes makeup effectively and protects the skin from drying out. This claim is definitely true because when I use it, it does not dry out my skin at all. Okay, it also says that after using the product, your skin feels clean, noticeable, soft and supple. The skin can breathe and is optimally prepared for moisturization. There isn't much claims written here, but I believe maybe the claims are written on the website. But anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and talk about the product itself and how it makes my skin feels like. So I feel like this product is great for sensitive skin since it isn't packed with unnecessary ingredients that can cause like skin irritation and clogged pores. So this is a very basic cleanser and it cleanses my skin effectively without drying it out. And I absolutely love it because it is affordable, you guys. So definitely go ahead and check it out. I normally use this product as a second cleanser. So what I do is I first go in with my first cleanser and then I go in with this product afterwards. If you want to see how I currently use this product, then definitely go ahead and check out my updated skincare routine video. I believe that video is gonna come out before this one or maybe after, I'm not sure, but if it's already uploaded, I'll go ahead and include it up here so you can go ahead and check it out so that you can see how I normally use this product. So like I said, I use it as a second cleanser, but it's up to you guys. You can still use it as a first cleanser too. This product is great for that as well. I also love the fact that this product doesn't leave my skin dry or tight after using it like some of the cleansers that I've used in the past. You guys, I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. After cleansing your face, you'd feel like your skin is dry and craving for moisture. This product is not like that at all. In fact, after using it, I always feel like I don't even need to moisturize my face, because my face does not dry at all. Okay, it does not dry. So I absolutely love it because of that. And I love the fact that this product is gentle around my eyes area, so it doesn't hurt my eyes at all when I use it. I believe this is why they're calling it cleansing milk, because it definitely feels like milk when I apply it on my face. I don't know, that is just my own opinion. It feels like milk. Anyways, as with every other product, just because this product works for me doesn't mean that it's not gonna work for you. So I'll advise you to go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think of this product. Okay, so guys, all in all, this is a great product and I'll advise you to go ahead and check it out. I absolutely love it, and like I said, I've never experienced any issues since I started using it 3 years ago. I've never experienced any other issues besides the product being good to me and taking care of my skin. So I absolutely love it, and I love the fact that the product is very affordable. So yeah, I'll definitely recommend it to you guys. Go ahead and check it out, and yeah, let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know if you've been using this product and how is it on your skin. You can also let me know if you've decided to start using it and how it is on your skin. Does your skin love it or not? Let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like this video, guys. Please do like it, because it helps my channel a lot. And don't forget to engage in the comment section down below. Leave me a comment, ask me questions or anything. I promise I'm going to respond to all your comments, and most importantly, do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.